Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will introduce the question sliding window maximum, and I will use monotonic queue to solve the problem. Well, from description we can see we have an array of integers, and we have the sliding window of size k. We need to return the maximum value of each window. A standard way to solve the sliding window with minimum or maximum problem, we can always come up with monotonic queue. And for this question, we can always save the maximum index on the first location of the queue. So let's take a look on the code. We initial the DQ as well as the result array. Then we iterate this nums array, and we can simple to add the index to the last of the queue. But before this step, we need to consider is the current value larger than the value of the queue. If the last value of index in the queue is smaller than our current one, we need to remove it until the queue is empty. So that means we always keep the largest value of index at the first of the queue. Once we iterate the location of the sliding window, we can always get the result from the top of the queue. Since the window is moving, so once we out of the beginning of the window area, we remove the first value from the DQ, then the following one is the largest result we want. Let's run the code. The reason why we use DQ because our arranging queue is first come, first out. But DQ, we can get the value from the top or from the end. So that means in this question, we save the index with the order of its value from the larger to smaller. So the largest one always at the beginning of the DQ. If we remove the largest one, the second one will become the largest in our current area. And the time complexity and the space complexity are all O of n. N is the length of array. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe me. Thank you for your watching.